So a lot of folks ask all the time, what do you do in the deeper preparation areas? I say, real easy. I use the ACTIVA-BASE liner. It's a great way to protect that deeper dentin. You don't have to do anything special. The active ingredients within ACTIVA-BASE liner will be able to bond directly to that deeper preparation area. So you can protect that dentin. Just a little bit into the area. See how I just kind of rub it up against the edge of the tooth before I remove it so I don't get pulled back. So basically now we've cured that and we have a very nice solid base inside of the tooth. You can then place your Toffelmeyer band around there and build up the remaining aspect with ACTIVA BioActive restorative material.